Mark for here from Progressive Parts. Today we've got in a 2017 Audi S3. We're going to fit a VAGSport Resonator Delete kit. Beautiful bit of kit. All mandrel bent, CNC bent. Looks absolutely beautiful. Now we're going to show you today just how easy these are to fit. So the tools that we're going to need, we need 13mm ratchet, tool for sliding the exhaust rubbers off, and an exhaust cutter and a pen, and that's it. So, first thing we're going to do is remove the sleeve and measure it up against the original resonator under the car. We're going to reuse the original front sleeve here, so we need to measure it up to make sure that where it's flared down lines up with the original clamp here. Then we're going to move to the back, and I'm going to mark where it lines up. Then take our exhaust cutter. The system is part stainless, so it will take a little while to get through, but if you just take your time, eventually it'll cut through nice and evenly and give you a nice clean cut. Now we're going to undo the two 13mm bolts on the sleeve at the front. In a 2017 car, it probably comes apart a little bit easier than something a bit older. Sleeve will slide forward. And take our tool for the exhaust rubber. Pull the rubber out. Slide the original resonator out. Then take our VAGSport kit, slide the sleeve all the way on. Put the exhaust rubber in first. Slide the front sleeve on. We'll leave that loose for now just so we can reposition everything. Then slide the rear sleeve. You want to make sure that there's no gaps as it slides on. Then I'm going to take the ratchet and I'm going to tighten the front ones up first, so make sure that's in position. The sleeve slid backwards and at the same angle as it was before. and tighten up the rears. You can see the rear sleeve is the same size as the original resonator pipe and the back box, so you can use this sleeve to refit the original resonator if you wish. And it really is that simple.
Done. Thanks, Mark. Right, we'll get this down off the ramp and see how it sounds.